Yes. After a nice relaxing start this morning, I've no rush today. Holiday's slowly coming to an end now. It's not over with yet, still got a couple of days. But we've crammed a lot in this last couple of weeks and it's just sort of like wind down stage. So today, maybe just chill out for you in the pool a bit this morning. Yeah. Maybe the Orlando Eye, maybe some waxwork. We don't know. Yeah, waxwork.
Underwork.
No, waxwork.
Okay.
Madame Tussauds waxwork.
Oh, yeah, cool. Okay, cool.
Yeah, so that's the plan for today. We'll see how it pans out. What?
He wants one of those.
Okay. Josh wants one of them. Alright, where?
That's the wrong way.
Right now we're crossing a bit of an intersection where you shouldn't be really walking, and I think this is called jaywalking. But because I'm jaywalking and I'm called Jay, I'm allowed to do this. So we saw this last year, we thought we'd give it a miss last year. Not highly interesting, but we thought, well, we'll give it a chance this year and have a go and have a look at the views that this thing seems to offer people.
Yeah.
The Orlando Eye. But before we go into the Orlando Eye, we're going to check out Madame Tussauds and see what that's like. Take over the White House. Get in there! Josh is getting a wax model of his hand done at the moment. Has to hold his hand in ice for 30 seconds. Is that nice and cold, Josh?
Very.
this twice because I complained, and I don't normally like to complain because we're typical English and we know I'm taking on the chin. But we were put in with two screaming kids that screamed for at least halfway around, and they were just and they just did our heads in. It spoiled our experience. Complaint over with. Second time round. First time we got the sunset. This time all the lights are off. Look at it. And there was 360. Can you see? I don't know if you can see, but look at this view out here now. Oh, fantastic. That's worth doing, but
yeah.
worth doing the once. Twice was a bit too much, but we don't mind getting something for free. Have a look at it with us. Come on, just come down here with this beautiful scenery and have a look at this for us. Yeah. 10 minutes in, still shopping.
Yeah. Mini golf.
Pirates Cove, Adventure Golf, mini golf.
Oh, alright, that golfer too.
We'll come back to this. I don't know if you can see it behind, but it looks bloody beautiful, doesn't it? Beautiful. I just hope you can hear me above this music. And I don't get done with copyright.